I'm Shay Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is Ron Heeks, the Managing Director for Larvotto Resources. Ron, it's great to see you again. How are you?
Yeah, great, Shay, and great to be here.
Big news coming out once again for the Antimony-Gold Hillgrove Project in New South Wales. You've received another approval to bring this mine to life. This came out on the 31st of July. Ron, can you talk me through the details of what this is and what it means for the project?
Yes, we just announced our investment decision to proceed, the FID, which everybody was waiting for. That's another milestone ticked off. We've just completed the financing to allow us to do that. Arguably, we were already on that course. We'd organised our long lead time items, but it was a tick the box and it was good to get it done.
Now, this FID has come through on the back of what has been a very busy quarter for you. Can you summarise the past 3 months' activities in relation to the Hillgrove project?
Yeah, sure. We released our DFS, which was a major milestone, and very happy to get that out. It was a couple of weeks late, but considering the size of the task, we weren't too unhappy with that. We moved straight into project financing from that point on. And within the last 3 weeks, in fact, within a period of 6 days, we completed a $105 million US bond, so about 160 Oz, and a 60 million equity raising. So $250 million in 6 days, and then announced the FID to kick the whole project off. So yes, it's been a very, very big couple of months.
Ron, you mentioned there that you have gone the bond road for financing. Now, this is something modern day retail investors aren't familiar with. Why have you chosen to go this road for financing rather than some of the other options available to you?
Yeah, good question, Shay, and very interesting. It's not that common, and it's not that common because a lot of people actually just can't do it. We've been blessed that the project economics are so strong that a bond works for the system. Why do a bond? It's a lot quicker. It's very clean. There's no covenants really. There's no hedging. There's no con notes. There's no anything's marketing fees that's normally associated with other financing. It was completed in a very rapid time. I've never been involved with one that's been done as fast as this. That gets us into production quicker. With our holding costs, time delays cost us a bit because we've got plant and everything on site. It literally ticked every box, and the interest rate is as good as you'll ever get, and the simplicity is as simple as you'll ever get. So I think you'll see a few more people doing it, but it really does come down to the strength of the project allowing you to do it in the first place.
Now, my next question is a little unfair, Ron, given that you managed to achieve financing, a final investment decision, and the DFS in the quarter just gone. But what can we expect to hear from Larvotto over the next few months?
Oh, well, moving forward, it's all about the build starting. The contract for the build will be out very shortly. The build team will commence. The long lead time items that we ordered previously will start turning up. There'll be ongoing exploration because we do have those 4 diamond rigs on site. So a fair bit of news coming forward. And we'd like to be able to think that we can move some more resources into reserves. That's really more an availability of people problem. So as people free up from the tasks they've been doing, we'll start doing that as well. So there's a lot coming up over the next few months.
Listen, Ron, thank you very much for your time today, and I look forward to future conversations about the progress of the Hillgrove project. Thank you for being here.
Thanks, Shay. Great to talk.